This is part 18 of what's covered inside the roadmap course. You'll also want to save this video for later because it's got 12 kind of like topics. We're going to talk about YouTube. So what are we looking at? Introduction to YouTube, channel walkthrough, new channel customization, YouTube studio settings, power homepage strategy, create your ideal homepage, purpose of each kind of content, simple recording flows, uploading a video, tips before recording, super important, the power of a playlist, and discovering content ideas. Okay, so these are the 12 courses under the YouTube heading. There's a lot more to come, but certainly you can't ignore YouTube because all of these platforms are videos. Why not repurpose your content and put it on YouTube? I do that with AI. I'm going to teach you how to do it. That was YouTube. Part 19 is next.